Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to move rows in Excel. Let's get started. If you'd like to move a row in Excel, you don't have to go through all the trouble of copying, pasting, and deleting. Excel offers a great way how to move rows by following a few simple and quick steps. Start by selecting the row you wish to move. Here, we'll select row 3 and we'll move it right below row 4. You can select and move one or more rows at once in a table of any size. Here comes the trick that does it all. Hold down the Shift key, glide your cursor to the row border, up or down, until you see this cross arrow pointer. Then use the left mouse button to drag and drop the row precisely where you need it. That's it. Easy, right? You can seamlessly apply it to columns too. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more contents like this.